Okay, friends, if you are stuck on question number 9, this is where you should be. Make sure you're following along with me and doing the problem with me. Don't just watch this entire video and then try to do it. Work through this problem with me and pause the video when you need to. So question 9 says a function is given, and we see our function. Use the add point tool to plot the zeros and the maximum or minimum value of the function. So I know I'm going to be using this add point button up here, which we'll get to in a second. The first thing that I actually want to do is put this into Desmos. Whenever you have a function and you're not sure what to do, put it in Desmos. So Desmos is up here, the calculator in the top right. And I'm just going to type it in exactly how the problem tells me. And then we get a parabola, which is this little U-looking graph. So I need to find the zeros. Now, the zero means the zeros are where the graph crosses the x-axis. So we actually see that it crosses the x-axis in two different places here, at 1, 0 and at 3, 0. So we're going to put both of those points on our graph. So we'll click add point, and then I'm going to put it at 1, 0 here. And I'm going to put my other point at 3, 0 here. Now with parabolas, sometimes they're shaped this way. So we have our minimum value down here. And sometimes they go the other way. So they kind of look like this. When we're shaped this way, like a U, we're going to find our minimum value. So it is this point that's the lowest point on the parabola. And I see that it's 2, -2. So again, I'm going to add point, and then I'm going to go to 2, -2. Now let's say you messed up and you accidentally put a point over here. For example, in order to get rid of that point, you're just going to click this delete button and then select the point that you'd like to delete. But this is all we have to do. Use Desmos, and then you're basically copying those 3 points into our EOC graph.